Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change controls in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. In order to change your control setting in Mobile Legends Bang Bang, launch open the game first on your device and wait for the home screen to load. From the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings menu. Go to the left hand corner and tap on the controls button. Inside controls, you can go ahead and control the universal hero settings or individual hero settings. You can go ahead and adjust the controls for a specific hero or universal. I'm just gonna go for universal here. Once you get to the universal hero settings page, you can then go ahead and adjust your basic attack settings. Under basic attack settings, you will see standard, advanced, and additional mode. Select any one method you'd like to use for your hero. Once you are done, now head over to the basic attack smart targeting and attack activation distance. Make your necessary selection how you'd like to customize your character's control. You can also adjust other settings such as target, joystick settings, skill settings, etc. Make necessary adjustment according to your preference. After making necessary adjustments, you can also scroll down and look for the camera movement settings. You can set the camera sensitivity to low to high according to your preference and then select advanced features such as aim panning, and under auto function, you can go ahead and enable auto functions such as auto upgrade time, buy time, etc. You can make necessary adjustment according to your play style, and once you are done with it, you can head back to your game and start playing. So from here, you will be able to customize your control setting in Mobile Legends, which can greatly boost your accuracy, speed, and overall gameplay comfort, just as you like. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.